morning, guys. Yeah, this is where I actually end up sleeping. I mean, yeah, yesterday I went to the Blackheath Glen Reserve, and yeah, I sleep there. Maybe I sleep around from 6 o'clock until 9:30. Yeah, at 9:30 I wake up in the big droplets of water coming from the trees. I sleep and wake up to that, and then later on I can't sleep anymore because it was annoying, that big droplets of the rain coming from the trees. Hopefully the water that I boiled yesterday is still hot. Yeah, feels like not hot anymore. Yeah, it's not hot. And it is still raining outside. The rain is like snow. Yeah, slow and fine. But it's not snow. Yeah, also this place sometimes having a snow, but not this time. Yeah, we're going now. It is still foggy like yesterday. Oh, this one is beautiful place. You pull me inside out and you showed me that life was about only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Yeah, all the love that I know when I show you, you're the only one, only you, the only one that stole my heart away. I hope to see a chance to get in a coffee shop. Yeah, McDonald's maybe along the way, or any coffee shop or any restaurant. Very blurred the side mirror because of the rain. Can't really see it. I can only see cars at the back. Even the lights are on of the cars. Yeah, I can't really see them. Oh, it has become foggy again on this area. Oh, very curved. Oh, where we came from is still a mountain. I thought it's already the flat area, but we are actually going down. I saw the roofs of the houses down there. Oh, there's McDonald's here. I'm going to buy a coffee first. Where is the entrance? Oh, I miss it. We are actually already in the parts of Greater Sydney. Yeah, like Blue Mountains is almost considered as Greater Sydney. Oh, 7-Eleven coffee. We go to 7-Eleven. I didn't notice this. All this drop here. 7-Eleven here in Australia is actually a petrol station, and at the same time convenience store as usual, the normal one. And Krispy Kreme, you usually see it in 7-Eleven like this. And they have those ready to eat products like sandwiches, hot pie, a microwavable food like this, pasta, chicken, rice, and then the usual instant noodles, muffin, croissant, and all the other things, and of course cold drinks and car accessories. Good morning. I'm going to have a coffee.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes.
So this is what I got. Yeah, $2. Oh, I just look at there, and the coffee is actually still $1. Yeah, nice. But I took the $2, just right in this cup. And this sausage, I don't know how much, but total is $6. So $5 is the sauce. Oh, $4 is the sausage. And this is actually a new road. Yeah, it's different from the GPS. So basically they made it wider in one, all the lanes. The road in this area is amazing, not noisy. Yeah, it's like a asphalted. This is M12 motorway west. This place, this is the Bonneville camping, Bonneville camping ground. And to be able to use the Bonneville campground, you need to pay similar to caravan park. The unpowered site is $41. Expensive, huh? It is now 12:03, and just now I'm going to brush my teeth. The feeling is not good when you don't brush the teeth. Oh, look at this cockatoo. This is very big. Nice. Oh, look at this toilet. This looks different. Yeah. There is that urinal, and this. And this the where I'm going to brush my teeth. And it's partially open. You can see the other side. There is a shower. Amazing, it feels so good after every cleaning yourself. Yeah, and we are driving again. No destination, but yeah, within here in Royal National Park. This Royal National Park is a very big park within the city of Sydney. Yeah, it actually reaches Wollongong, which is about 2 hours by train coming from Sydney. And there is a $12 entry fee or parking here in Royal National Park. Yeah, you can park anywhere once you paid for that. But also there are some campground like where we've been in Bonneville. You need to pay for the camping ground separate. And the minimum stay is 2 nighs. And there are 3 other more camping ground within the area, but yeah, Bonneville is the only one that you can use the car. The others are walking trail, and you need to camp by tent, not in the car. And I reached this place. Yeah, there are some cars here, and yeah, there is really beautiful view. Amazing. Look at that. Yeah. Without those fog, it looks more beautiful. And there is actually a walkway here. So this is basically the Royal National Park. We are coming from this side. And this is the Cronulla. These are parts of Greater Sydney. A beach area. A lot of people during summer here. And I think I went this way, and I am now here. It takes about 20 minutes something to drive. The name of the place is Otford Lookout. The place is closed at the moment. You can see Royal National Park coastal closure. This track, we cannot go there. And I know there is the popular figure 8 pools. Yeah, it is on this side. Oh, that's very popular. You see that? Look for it in Instagram, and you see it's beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, beautiful. that I continue on going here. Okay, and we are here. Amazing, look at that. Yeah, really beautiful. Yeah, we're going closer to the cliff, so we're going to see more of it. Very nice. And it is not crowded. Look, there's no so much houses. Yeah, the houses, the numbers, hey, they just add beauty to the pool environment. Really nice. Amazing, huh? Okay, that's it. We go to the restaurant. Amazing, it's good to experience places like this. A lot of bikers too. I don't know if we can stop here. If it is possible, we will stop here. But looks like a lot of cars already. And it's this place. Yeah, down here it's a park. Not so much people. And there's one restaurant. Lock it. You see, huh? I lock it. If I am not mistaken, we are coming from up there. Yeah. And yeah, this is the beach. Yeah, I don't see it. Or maybe that's the place. It's just very small. That one. Yeah, maybe that's the one. Amazing. Yeah, the beach is actually open. There is lifeguard. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, there is lifeguard there. A residential area. Forest. This is part of the Royal National Park. And just now I noticed there are people doing the surfing. And actually the temperature this time is just good. Yeah, not cold, just good. And coming from Stanwell Park, we're now heading back to Royal National Park. This place, waterfall, Sutherland. Yeah, so basically I used to walk here before when I was new here in Australia. I was living in Sydney, and then I took the train, yeah, going to Wollongong, but initially I stopped here, and then I walk around in this area, just walking. Yeah. That's why some places are familiar. I remember. That's good. And we're going to need to walk in the walking track. There are picnic areas, and there are some people at the moment. Actually a water parks on that side. There's one family, and yeah, there is this kind of a poles. Very short kind of poles. Nice. All the way going to that side. The name is Watamula Falls. There is actually walking trail going there, but yeah, it is raining now. And there is actually a beach. That is the lifeguard. And you know, this is true. Yeah, I saw in the news one international student. Yeah, he jumped on that side into the water and didn't show up. There is no reception here, no signal. Yeah, that's why I cannot check the actual location of some places to see. A lot of walking trail here in Royal National Park. It is okay to be wet like this. Yeah, it is not cold. The temperature is just right. Actually, looks like it's a long walk. I don't need to go. Yeah, but that's the sea. And you see the cliff and the sea. Yeah, we're going back now to the car. The rain is not good. All the people left already. Yeah, my car is the only one over there. I don't know where I am going to sleep tonight. maybe somewhere in the road in Sydney. Yeah, I'm heading now to Sydney. The good thing with the GPS, this one, you don't need the reception, you don't need internet to be able to access the navigation or the GPS or yeah, the map. It is getting dark now, and we are now again back to the highway. It is now 6:14.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
Look at that, it's already Christmas here. I don't know the name of this place, but yeah, it is busy. Lots of people walking, lots of cars on the side parking, and it is just 40 kph here. Yo, good morning guys. At the moment we are here in McDonald's here in M1 and the highway. So basically last night I was in Sydney. I was planning to stay in sleep in Sydney for 2 more days, but I suddenly changed my mind and decided to go home. It was already 10 o'clock.